Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. It should be in Samsung folder. When you find it, click on it. Then select Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. Then click on OK over here, and in order to add a bookmark, tap on this orange icon. Now, if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square one. Then name your recording however you wish to and tap on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully recorded. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Then select Delete over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to access more recording options, click on those three dots over here next to voice recorder. Select Settings and manage all of them however you wish to. For example, change recording quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!